A light magnitude 2.8 earthquake hit 7.2 kilometers, 4.5 miles, away from Agrinio, West Greece, in the afternoon of Sunday, May 25, 2025 at 4:41 p.m. local time, GMT +3. The depth of the quake could not be determined, but is assumed to be shallow. The quake was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, auth after 3 minutes. The earthquake occurred 3 weeks after a magnitude 3.0 earthquake had hit on Tuesday, May 6, 2025, at 1:52 a.m. local time. Europe, Athens GMT +3. In 27 kilometers, 17 miles, distance to the northwest. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.